just pulled up. I guess that red Supra from the other night and the Evo's gonna run it. Damn, that shit's cool. Good little Durango Hellcat.
What's up with these ugly niggas in your car?
Oh, damn, that shit's cool. My boy One Cold Garage. Oh. I know, you see that shit? That shit's clean. It's 335 IS, I didn't even notice that. Damn, boosted 5.0. That shit sounded crazy. Nah, I think it was pro charged. Might have been pro charged. I don't know. Back to back oranges. Damn.
60. You guys want to collect? I'm pretty sure we'll match. You guys are at 1,000 for sure? The car's actually. I don't know if you heard it. So 60 to 160. 2K? 60 to 160. I'll put the 500. I got you. Brake okay or what? You know how Evo's are. Yeah. That shit's already half broken. My shit's on film. My brake. That's what I'm saying. I'm playing with brakes. If any car breaks at least 200, that's how it works. I drove for it. They always break. Yeah. I would say that. That would make sense. That's why. If you break, you don't pay, but you gotta like. No, yeah, exactly. And then he's gonna count. Anything after 100, it's a race. If you miss a gear or something, it's a race. You have a lockout shifter? You can get your people. Break after 100. If he misshifts, that's a race. If he actually breaks, like shit, like blows up or something, then yeah. I'm not gonna spin. I'm not gonna spin. But if you do, yeah, if I spin, it's a race.
If it's close, just because there's a lot of heads, just let these two talk. Everyone just like shut up and be quiet because there's too many heads here.
I'm cool with Sam. So.
Yeah. I just want to say, like, if one person objects and everyone like starts talking, I'm like, I don't know, dude.
It's missing. I don't know.
Should be.
Huh? You have a pass?
I don't have a pass. You'll be with him? You gonna count it? I've never raced here, so I don't know which way to go.
We go to the 4-lane one, the 5-lane one, or
Go ahead then. I don't know which way they're going, but go ahead though. Try to follow the Evo. He's going out from the back way. Hold up. Watch out.
Dang, he's riding with a passenger, bro.
Yeah, he is. He said that.
Is wild.
Slow down, don't be on his ass. Slow down, fool. Okay, but you don't gotta be on his ass, fool. We're in a Kia, nigga. Remember that, fool. That shit's clean. Get over if you can. He's letting you over. Get over. You're good. We out here in Mexico.
get on the shoulder, nigga, get all the way in front.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do.
Hell yeah, all these niggas want to get on the freeway together, nigga.
Let him in, let him in, let him in.
Like,
Shit get hectic around here, bro. I swear to God, bro. Shit get hectic. Keep on going, nigga. No, wait up. You're not gonna let you get over. These niggas ain't gonna let you get over. Damn, that shit was loud, bro.
My Glock. And I'm right here.
Yeah, I know. Keep on going straight. Keep on going ahead of me. Trying to get in front of everybody.
Alright, now get your head out the window. Easy. Try and get the good video. Somebody get that shit. They're gonna fly by us.
Yeah, I know. This is the L1 Luis right here.
Damn, Rob, gone. What the fuck? Nigga, the Supra didn't even count.
Yeah, it sounds
They're not
weird
gonna run
too.
it right there. That ain't count for sure.
Let's see what they're talking about.
Like 3 bands each.
Yeah, I think it was like 3 bands. It probably got to like 3 bands, but let's see though, bro.
These niggas are gonna argue right now because of all this miscommunication shit.
What's that one? See that one?
Tell that nigga we in the Kia.
I think he's looking at the Addy.
Yeah, way before. Because I told him run it back. He said no.
That shit was quick, bro. With dipping. Yeah, everybody was in the way. We were in the front. Yeah, everybody was just in the way.
It was like, and then like,
Yeah.
cut out. But it was way before 100. He said,
Before
anything
before 100, yeah, no pay. Yeah.
What are you doing here?
He's the one that was driving in the Kia right now, cutting you off and shit.
You came all this to the IE for this. 100 isn't a race. I might race right now.
Race who?
Yeah.
Who you gonna race? What's that?
Bro,
He's here.
the Nardo Gray Hellcat right there.
Oh,
Let me get in that pod.
yeah, for sure. Shit's clean, bro. It's fucking quick. It's cammed. I know it is. Let's go see what everybody's talking about though.
Hell no.
You have the video?
He's checking
It was a race.
But you said anything before 100.
I mean, it didn't break though. You know what I mean?
I thought it was just break or
No,
race.
no.
Anything before 100.
Even my car was on 30 pounds of boost. I have a boost stick. My coupler popped off. You can see it. You know how a coupler looks. You know what I mean? But I mean, to me that was a race. You know?
I thought it wasn't, so that's why I didn't keep going. I heard, break you don't.
It's not broken though. You know?
No, I know.
If you had a safety limit, that's not really
That's
my
what I'm saying.
fault.
I heard
I had my tuner turn all my shit off tonight.
No, I know.
For that reason, because I race in 3,000 elevation. It's like negative,
I'm not saying
whatever.
I broke. I'm saying.
Once I drop down the price, but I'm not
That's what I heard.
limiting over
I
the
heard.
wheels. For 69.
And before, that's nice.
Yeah, but you didn't miss a gear or nothing.
I didn't.
You hit boost cut. I mean, that's really, you raced on here. I don't, you know. So I told my tuner for that reason, turn all my safeties off.
Either one.
Just so I wouldn't hit a boost cut, because I told you about the 5-bar, right? I'm maxed out on my 4-bar, so I told him just turn it off tonight. For that reason, because I didn't want to rerun it. I'm rerunning, but I want to get paid for it. You can run it for more, but I'm trying to get paid for it. And I got to fix it.
You didn't miss shit. He said.
I literally told him to turn all my safeties off for that reason, because I knew I needed everything to beat you. And still, my shit was on 33 pounds. That's why I couldn't race you on the way back. If not, I would have ran you on the way back. It's popped up.
You got it?
Of course. He didn't go. He let off right away.
He didn't go?
But he let off right away.
Yeah, if he didn't reach 100, it's not a race. Yeah, if he didn't reach 100, it's not a race. If it's not, they even said it.
What the fuck was trying to share a video with?
Before 100,
Fuck that. Trying to hack me and shit.
Sam let off right away.
He did.
Yeah, we
That's
saw
what he even go.
Yeah.
safety feature came.
Or Sam. There's a video of him from the back that he lets off immediately.
Hey, Sam.
What's up? Hey, there's a video from the back he let off immediately.
Are you trying to see a video that you didn't
Yeah.
go? I have a video that you didn't go at all, bro.
Hey, Sam.
No, they're saying that if I break before 100, but I heard.
This was dip and you were just fucking chilling. Wait, look, you just fucking didn't even go.
Go back to the car and discuss. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, he was chilling. He didn't even go.
Who the fuck tried airdropping me since we were hacking?
What I heard was
And the guy just said, you better not pay. That boy got money on the line. So? Oh, I don't know. He said that he boost cut it at like 1 amp. That's the one we saw earlier.
Nah,
car
that shit
just
was
shut
not.
off.
Yeah, that's not.
Yeah.
because if I missed it, they were gonna. Went in third.
Oh, yeah, you were in there. Oh, you went to the track and then what did you do? Leave it? Run it back? No, I'm going to the.
And I didn't go over 100.
900, okay.
Yeah, but still, fuck. Like I said, if I was on fucking, if your car would have kept going, I was on 30-some pounds of boost, you guys would have got paid. Just because you told me if I spin, that's a L, but the car didn't.
But we
spin.
never agreed to other stuff.
But you never said nothing about boost cut. And the car didn't break. Your car didn't
Yeah.
break.
No,
You didn't. You know what I mean? It was a race.
You just get a rerun. Were you able to fix the car? Or?
Like I said, I'm not trying to rerun my car again just because you hit boost cut.
I mean, it won't hit boost cut.
No,
And
you turn it up.
if it does, then we'll just pay you. Like, I'll pay you. I just want to clean one.
I want to clean one too, but fuck. I ain't trying to beat my car for free, you know what I mean?
I'm getting my car too. And my car will break faster than yours. You know this. You don't want to get that.
Still, my shit will break too. You know how many passes I got on this bitch and I drive it every day.
I don't drive mine every day, but I drive mine like as a daily.
So you do double or none, or you guys could just go home. I'll just stick with double. 'Cause I ain't trying to fucking beat my car for free, honestly. It's not worth it. I just wanted.
You guys want to put more on top?
Or we could run it back tomorrow. I need to put the 5-bar in the car. I need to put the 5-bar. I told you that. My car wasn't even ready tonight. But I was like, fuck it, I'm going to go pick it up from the shop and go race it. The worst case scenario, I fucking.
Well, I'm on like 3 cylinders, so.
That shouldn't sound like no damn.
No,
thing.
it's I'll show you the compression. Like I'll go.
Yeah, but that only matters at idle, honestly. To be honest, that only matters at idle. It's not going to misfire when you're in the fucking booth.
It's not, but I mean,
Yeah.
it could lose the rings, you know.
good.
It has a high chance of losing.
Yeah, but right now that shit's running good.
Kind of.
If it was missing, that shit would not be doing a pass like it is.
Well, I don't know. It might only have one more pass in it. Who knows?
Like I said, I'm going to pay running back tomorrow. I need to put the 5 bar in the car. I need to up the boost on the car for you. Straight up.
There's no way. Like, then I'm gonna have to up the boost. I don't even know how to do that shit.
You can up the boost. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to up my boost on your car for sure. 100%.
Wait, didn't you say you're on kill mode right now?
Yeah, on a 4 bar. I need a 5 bar so I go 50. Your shit's set at 54 and you hit 54 pounds. That's a lot of boost on a 64.7. That should make it power.
How much power, Rob?
At least 700.
So we're making 700?
Yeah, I'm making.
No, you're making 700.
Yeah, so like I said,
My bad,
I
bro.
ain't trying to beat my car with free, bro. We'll run it back tomorrow for more money. I'll turn my shit up. Yeah, right. That's fair. Yeah, we can do that. And run it for the same part. If I lose, we don't pay.
Because that's fair.
That's fine.
And
So
then,
Sam, so basically
well, I just ran my car to 160 for free right now, bro. You went to 80, I went to 160. I literally took the car to 160, bro. Like, I beat the shit out of the car for nothing right now. Literally. Did I not? Yeah.
Yeah, he was
It's the
flying.
same thing. I'm giving you a rerun, but obviously if I lose, I'm not gonna pay. Yeah.
And yeah, like what if he breaks or something?
Yeah. What if he breaks? If the intercooler pipe pops off, something, you know?
Run tomorrow. Exactly. I don't know if it's up to you.
Literally not. I'm not gonna be raising my car for free.
Which or not? No, but which or not though?
I just literally went to 160 for free, bro.
It is
No
fair.
fucking reason.
It is fair to do that.
You want to do 500 driver to driver? He has 500 in on the
I can race Sam whenever. I can race him free by myself, but this ain't about that. Me and Sam are cool, but I mean, that was a race. I took my shit to 160, bro. It probably went 60, 60, 130. Slow as fuck. I swear to God. Like I said, you guys can go home, bro. I really don't care about the money. I ain't stressing over fucking $200. I really ain't stressing.
Wow.
Insane. You run it back. If I lose, I don't pay because obviously I ran my shit down. If I win, obviously I pay. That shit's fair. All the homies came from the IE. It's literally an hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna go home. I'm not getting on my car. I'm trying to get on my car for a reason.
And then you could just give him a rerun tomorrow, straight up money. Like, if he wins, just go for the money tomorrow. Then we can pay them. We just do a normal race tomorrow. Like you do this race, and if he wins, we don't pay. Then you rerun it tomorrow.
Oh boy, got the HK hat on. He lit. He got the HK hat on. You see him right there with the red?
I'll give you a run back no matter what.
Yeah.
But obviously,
That's hard as fuck.
If I lose right now,
That's hard. I zoomed into it.
because I know I'm gonna lose. You already went faster than me, 6 and 130. 100%.
No, he did.
I can show you all
Oh,
my
he said
drivers
Rob.
right now. You can see the dates on every single one of them. It's not even been fucking instructions yet. I just came to gamble, bro. I was like, fuck it. I wasn't even supposed to be in the car. I was supposed to drive.
I wasn't either.
the
I
homies
just heard
flag
everybody
Supra.
else was talking.
But you've been looking for a run all week, no?
Yeah.
I thought it's not ready though.
Huh?
I thought it's not ready if you've been looking for a run all week.
Yeah, I just left the shop today. I'm doing the 5 bar tomorrow. I literally told you, right? I literally told this fool. I'm not bringing the car. I don't have a 5 bar.
Just get your car ready tomorrow. You run it tomorrow.
Honestly, it's probably running like that.
But you just said you give him his run back.
Yeah, if he races me tonight, I'm fucking the money. If not, Sam wants to do it, but nobody else does. That's the
Then
thing.
do driver to driver. 500, 500. He has 500 in it.
Yeah, it is. Because they eat anything. I've been giving them money.
Bro, those got here like last minute.
Give me man 100.
These sound sick. Okay, what's the fourth one?
Hey, son, like I said, you guys can just go. We ain't got to race. Like, I don't care about the money, bro. It's really not that serious. I'm just saying, if I would have spun or my filter would have came off, you guys would have got paid straight up.
I just didn't hear that part. I didn't hear you say that.
You guys literally would have got paid straight up. If my shit didn't break, it didn't break. It was still boosting. It didn't break. It just the filter came off. That's like, that's my own fault. It didn't break. You would have spun under 100.
If we win, he's not going to pay us.
Damn, that cane smells
If we win, he's
fire.
not paying us. It's like the stupidest stuff. Why the fuck does he want?
Then we beat. What if you break and you lose the money?
If I race him, beat him, don't just give in because.
Don't let the first one.